Dear students, let's learn about the blood circulatory system, how the blood circulates in our body. To circulate the blood in our body, it requires heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. The blood circulatory system consists of heart and blood vessels like arteries, veins and capillaries. Let's discuss one by one. First one is heart. The location of the heart is, the people have the common belief that the heart is located on the left side of the chest, but the heart in human beings is not on the left side of the chest. It is in the center between the two lungs and above the diaphragm. The heart is located in the center between the two lungs and above the diaphragm. The narrow end of the roughly triangular heart is pointed to the left side. So just look at the figure. Here you see the structure. It will be in a triangular shape and pointed to the heart is pointed to the left side, and during the working the contraction of the heart is most powerful. That is, these ventricles are contracting and auricles are relaxing. So during the contraction of these ventricles, the heart is very powerful at this end giving, and here in the end giving it feels a feeling of the heart is being on the left side. So therefore the people have a common belief that the heart is located on the left side of the chest, but the heart is located in the right side, in the center between the two lungs and above the diaphragm. Covering. The heart in adult humans is about the size of our closed fist. That is, the size of the heart is measured like our closed fist, about 12 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in width. It is protected by a double-walled membranous covering called pericardium. The complete the heart, which is covered by membranous covering, there is a double-walled membranous covering, and that covering is known as which gives the protection. So that covering or membrane is known as pericardium. Pericardium. So this pericardium contains lubricating pericardial fluid. In the pericardium there is a fluid known as pericardial fluid. So this pericardial fluid which reduces the friction and also which gives the protection, from the injuries, as well as which reduces the friction during the heartbeat.